Man charged with the stabbing death of his reported lover. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Hunts Bay police have arrested and charged a 22-year-old man who goes by the name Emil Anderson for the murder of 34-year-old Harris Marksman at their St. Andrew home last year. According to a release from the Constabulary Corporate Communications Unit, the information arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, which labels Marksman as Anderson's lover, the incident occurred at their home, with both men shared together in Phase 2 Seaview Gardens in Kingston 11 on October 22, 2021. Reports are that about 4 p.m. an argument developed between both men. The dispute escalated and Anderson, otherwise called Robin, left and returned with a knife that he used to stab Marksman in the chest. Marksman was pronounced dead on arrival at hospital. Anderson was charged after a question and answer session on Tuesday, June 21, 2022. His court date is to be finalized by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.